Hey guys, Katie here. So today I am going to be vlogging. I think I'm doing like a what I eat in a day video. So we shall see. I have a couple products to show you actually before we go. So give me 1 sec. Also, this is what I am wearing on my lips. The Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick, which is my favorite in the shade Mannequin. And also I have the NYX lip pencil in Nutmeg. I really love this combo. I'm about to spray my Way perfume, Melrose Place. But yeah, I wanted to show you guys these vitamins from Raw Science. These are just probiotics, prebiotics, enzyme blend. So yeah, it's very good for gut health. And hi. Yeah, hello. He just ate some chippies if you heard some crunching in the back. And then I have this product right here. This is just the Usuie facial device. So yes, this is good. This is like a red light treatment, so I'm really excited to try this out. Let me know if you guys want to see me using this product. And this is my outfit for today. This dress, I'm obsessed with this dress. It's from TJ Maxx, actually. But yeah, it's so cute. Bradley, want to say hi? Where are we? Yes, we are. Do you like it? It is so hot. We are just waiting for our food right now. There are so many good options here. This place is poppin'. There's like a carnival.
Yeah, so good.
Bradley had this burger that Casey and Bradley claim that is like the best burger ever. I got Yaziken. I've had it once before at the vegan street fair, and I ordered a giant taco burrito. Comes with fries, that should be yummy, and then an organic mango fresca. So that should be super yummy. I'm excited.
No, I didn't claim that. Sorry for that mistake.
I was wrong. It was not the best burger ever, in Bradley's opinion. These are some jack bites.
Want to dip it in the ranch?
The company was, but like,
The last one?
we were just running around on like our little generator, so like, dude, like, I don't care, just 24, like, just not even turning it on.
Want to try some mango
Throwing
drink
more
too?
gas in it.
Let's toss this. Unless you want this ranch?
Yeah, you don't want the like, boom.
We're going to do some mashed potatoes, and I'm going to do them a little bit on the healthier side. So rather than just
Or in the afternoon when I have my afternoon snack, but I'm just gonna have it this morning. Just should have put on sunscreen.
Ouch!
Hey guys, so I'm back for dinner and I am going to be having crispy tofu. This is one of my favorite recipes. So I'm gonna have some organic shiitake mushrooms on the side. I'm just gonna saute it in a little bit of like salt and pepper and oil. And then for the tofu, I'm using this organic tofu from Costco. So yes, I'm just going to cut this open, drain the tofu water, and then I'm gonna wrap this up in some paper towels. You can also do it in like an actual towel if you would like to make it more eco-friendly, but I just do paper towels and that should soak up all the liquid, all the moisture. So guys, I just put some avocado oil in this hot pan. I have it on high heat. So I'm just gonna spray this with some avocado oil and turn it on. It's actually like not even hot yet, but yeah. And I am going to fill this bowl with some cornstarch. Maybe like a few teaspoons. Then I'm going to put some cracked black pepper in here and some pink salt. You can maybe use onion powder or garlic powder, but I feel like it would just burn, so I personally don't. Sometimes if it's like under salted, it's really gross, so I try to put enough salt, but yeah, I don't know, you just have to keep an eye on it because obviously it's gross if you like over salt it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over here. I'm also drinking this ginger beer. But yeah, the tofu's all wrapped up. It's ready to go. I'm not gonna use this whole thing because that's like way too much tofu for one person, but I'm just gonna like chop it up. I have my lovely husband behind the camera today. He's doing a great job. And I just like to cut it into skinnier like rectangles like this. And then I'm just gonna coat the tofu one by one. So this is what the tofu looks like. Listen to that sizzle. That's what you want, baby. You want the oil to be nice and hot when you put the crispy tofu in there. And then I got my shiitakes cooking. This pan heats up really quickly. I'm just gonna season this up. I honestly don't really know what I want to season it up with. I think I'm just gonna keep it really simple and just season it with salt and pepper. So my mushrooms are cooking still. I just flipped them over. I have this on medium heat. I actually turned the tofu down to medium heat as well. I flipped the tofu over. As you can see, they can brown really, really quickly. So it's good to just keep an eye on them. You really don't want to walk away while you're doing this. You want to just stick around and keep an eye on things. Okay, so this is mother-in-law's kimchi vegan Napa cabbage. I'm telling you, if you like kimchi, this stuff is so good. This is my favorite kimchi ever, and it goes so good with this dish. So let's actually have a taste test. Oh my god. It's so crispy on the outside. So good. 10 out of 10. You guys have to make this.